Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the forward delete trick for your Samsung keyboard on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung keyboard, you can delete words in front of the cursor, so not just behind, which is not possible with the regular backspace. You can basically hold a shift key and you can press delete, and this lets you forward delete with precision. So here is an example. When I press delete, this will delete whatever is on the left hand side. However, let's say you are in the middle of a message and you want to delete something which is on the right hand side. So to do this, you want to go ahead and press the shift button and then press delete. Now when you do that, this will delete whatever is on the right hand side. So you can basically precisely text edit, especially useful in long messages or editing paragraphs or fixing typos mid-sentence. So there you go guys. That is how to forward delete on your Samsung keyboard on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.